How you doing, guys? Now with a 2013 Subaru Legacy. Yeah, I want to show you how to replace the front pads and rotors. Grab the 19mm socket, remove the lug nuts, remove the tire. Now you get to see the caliper. We're gonna remove the two bolts that hold the caliper onto the bracket with a 17mm socket. Alright. Now we get to remove the caliper. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and destroy the subscribe button. Please do that. Now we're gonna remove the two bolts that hold the bracket with a 17mm wrench. In this case, you can use a minigun, impact gun, ratchet, break apart, whatever you feel like. Okay. Don't forget to share this video. And your comments, put in the comment box for me. I will encourage the females to become a mechanic, technicians, since I haven't seen that many out here in the field. You feel me? Also, don't forget to wear your safety glasses and your gloves. Safety first. And the feedback, whatever you have in mind, put in the comment box for me. I want to know what you think. Alright. Let's get it. Now we get to remove the bracket. Now we hit the rotor with the hammer. Like so. Comes out. Now we get to push the caliper pistons with the brake tool. I call it piston pusher. We'll push the piston back like so. Once we push the pistons back, you can spray them with some WD-40 since these pistons are a little bit rusty. WD-40 gonna make them last longer. Feel me? Once we do that, we proceed to install the new rotor. Now some rotors come with grease. You can clean that, remove the grease from the rotors with a brake cleaner. Once we do that, we'll remove the brake pads. This one is a little bit sticky since the bracket hardware is rusty. We're gonna have to brush this up and down, check the sliders, see if they going in and out with no problem. If they a little bit hard, you're gonna have to remove the sliders, clean them, re-grease them, put them back. Now we put the bracket back, turn the bolts that hold the bracket by hand. Once you do that like 3 times, turn it like 3 times, just to make sure you're not gonna mess the thread. Now you can hit it with a gun or with a ratchet, impact gun, break apart, whatever you're using. Just make sure it's tight and it's snug. Once you do that, make sure the hardware is clean. There's no rust in the bracket hardware. Then re-grease it, put some grease in it so the brake pads slide in and out easily. Now you install them like this. We're gonna do the same with the inside and outside brake pad. Once you do that, we put the caliper back. Make sure you put the bolts that hold the caliper onto the bracket. Make sure it is tight, snug it. And that's pretty much it. I'm gonna leave it right here. I don't wanna hold you up, but I have to give shout outs to my new subscribers, old subscribers, newcomer subscribers. Thank you for the love, thank you for the support, thank you for the help. I appreciate that. Where would I be without y'all? Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the destroy, bang the subscribe button, do the same with the share button, and hit the like button. And the feedback, put in the comment box for me. Make sure you do that. Anything you have in mind about this vehicle, related to this vehicle, put it in the comment box. I want to know what you think. Do you have any problem? Put it in the comment box also. Okay, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and I catch you in the next one. I let you boys stay safe. Always wear your safety glasses, your safety goggles, and your gloves. Alright. Once you're done putting everything together, go to the driver's side, step on the brake pedal until it gets hard. Then open the hood, go to the engine compartment, look for the brake fluid reservoir. Make sure you have brake fluid to the max level. If you don't, if it doesn't, top it off with some brake fluid. Step on the brake pedal again, put everything together, put the tire back, road test it, look for weird sounds, weird noise from the brake, from the front. In this case, if there's no noise, no weird sounds coming from the brakes while you road test the vehicle, you're good to go. That's pretty much it. Like I said, thank you for watching. Holla at your boy. See you in the next one. Stay safe. Meow.